Hello and welcome back to the That Was Easy channel. Today, in the Christmas and holiday spirit, I'll be showing you guys how to make a nice, easy origami Christmas tree. It's super easy to make, it'll take less than 5 minutes, but still looks really cool. So now, I'll skip the talking and get on to the tutorial. For this piece of origami, you'll need a square piece of paper, and this can be made by simply folding a rectangular sheet of paper almost in half so you have that little piece at the bottom and just cutting that off. But once you have this, all you want to do is take one of your corners and fold it directly to the one opposite, just like so. And then you want to have a nice crease at the bottom. And keep in mind, for all the steps that I'm saying, your folds don't have to be too exact, because as you can even see in mine, my corner isn't exactly perfect, but try and make it as good as it can be, because this will make the final product turn out just that much better. Next, you want to fold your diagonals the other way, so you're left with a nice cross down the middle. Now that you're here, you want to add some more folds. You want to do one down the center long way so that your two corners match up with the other two. Just give it a nice crease. And all these folds that we're doing right now are basically just the preliminary folds that if you've done any origami, you'll know that you do in basically every origami creation. Now we'll do the exact same thing in the other direction, just like so. Next, we'll open all of this up and make a nice little pocket. To do this, you want to hold it so that you have one of the corners facing towards you and one away from you. Next, you want to bring the other two corners in towards the center, and you want to push them in so that you're left with a diamond shape, just like so, and do this on both sides. Once you have this, you'll want to go through and crease all of your folds just to make sure that everything is looking sharp. Next, you'll want the open end facing towards you as you make the next folds. And for this next fold, you'll take one of the top flaps and fold it so that this line right here matches up with the center crease of your paper. And you'll fold it just like this, and then do the exact same with the other side. Just like that. And now we'll go ahead and flip the whole thing over and do the exact same thing with the back half of the paper. Just like so. And now that you're here, you are almost done. Now, although this is origami, we will have to use some scissors to make it look like an actual Christmas tree. Because, as I'm sure you saw in the thumbnail, there are branches or leaves that you see on the Christmas tree that you can't really get without using advanced origami techniques or scissors. So with that being said, go ahead and grab yourself a pair of scissors and feel free to pause the video while you do so. Next, you just want to cut across this bottom line just right here and cut all of that part off. Now that you're here, you should have a nice flat base, and you can get rid of all of those straps. Now that you're here, you can go ahead and open up this top flap, just like so, and then open up a nice little pocket in that top flap. Once you've opened that up, you want to fold the outside edge towards the center, just like so, and then crease back down. Next, you'll do the same on the opposite side. Just open up the flap, make a nice little pocket, fold it in, and then add some nice finishing touches at the very end. Next, flip it over and do the exact same thing on this side. Open up your pocket, fold your side in, get some nice creases, and fold all the way through. Now we'll do this one last time. And just go through and make sure that all your creases are still looking sharp. Now that you're here, we'll be using the scissors one more time. What you're going to want to do is take your scissors and make cuts at certain intervals. Depending on how big your paper is, your intervals may be different. And just add some slits going sideways, just like so. And do this going up. And I like to do from 1 to 2 centimeter intervals. But like I said, you can vary this. And next, we'll do the exact same thing on the other side right here. And when you do this, start out with some pretty big size cuts and get smaller as you work your way up because there is less paper to work with. And now we can get on to the final stage of the Christmas tree. So take the top layer of paper at this top flap right here and fold it towards the center so that it is slanting out towards the outside. So you want to fold the very top edge in towards the center while trying to make this back edge stay out. And you'll end up with something like that. Next, you want to do this for every single one of these cuts. Fold just like I'm doing. And now you'll want to do this for every single one of these flaps. So you can fold over your first flap and then just go ahead and do the exact same thing. Just fold, fold, fold. And now, once you're done folding all of your flaps in, you can start unwinding and opening out your whole Christmas tree. And although some of your folds may not be perfect, you can go through and just kind of crease them all out, and then you'll end up with something that looks just like this. Nice origami Christmas tree, which is perfect for this Christmas season. So if you guys want to know how to make some other cool stuff like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment some other things you'd like to see me make in the comment section down below. But for now, I'll see you guys again later.